Hello, everyone. Today is Thursday, 6th or June 29, 2023. It's 7:37 p.m. Eastern. I wanted to share with you some trades I made today. Actually, there were, let's say, 9 trades. I do have 1, 2, 3 losers, 5 winners, and 1 break even. So total of 9 trades, and we're going to review. And I want to let you know why I took them and why I shouldn't have taken some of the mistakes I made. This one is actually a range area here, and I entered 3 times in this range, which is obviously a mistake, and I'm gonna explain what happened. So before I start, let me remind you to like my video. That way, you make a pause here. It doesn't cost that much. Just go to the thumbs up and press like. And then if you check the description of this video, there is a link to a coupon, so you can use it in Apex. Apex has a 90% discount until 4th of July. So if you use it and use this coupon, then I do have an affiliation with them, and so it's a free risk actually for you guys. Also check the link for the Discord channel, and so you can join that one there as well. Okay, so let's get started. So I started trading gold in the morning. There was news, and gold moved very nicely here. I missed this entry. This is a trend reversal breakout right here with in that week there. News were at 9:30, so it moved. It moved fast, but not that fast. I looked at it and I hesitated to enter it because the initial move was already going, and I just didn't want to jump off on that one. You see that there were a couple of support levels right here, and then when it moved, it was already too extended, and then it started to stop here. There was a 15-minute opening range right around this area, so, or a little bit below actually, right around this area, and I took that entry right there, and that was punished. It was already extended, so I shouldn't have taken it. I lost $100 there, and then I took this second one right here, and then moved up again, and another $70. So right out of the gate, I was $170 down, and then I took this a week out of the 18. And then that one was good. I hesitated to sell it right here. I just moved the stop. I just wanted it to go all the way right to the middle of the channel, at least of this green box on the extension, and but it didn't, and it went up and it stopped me out. So that one was good for $220. So in between those 3 trades, I was already now $50 profit with that one. And then I took this new week out of the 18 as well, but I didn't trust it that much, and the reason was that I saw this divergence. So you have that fast and slow line moving to the upside, and then you have prices moving to the downside, already extended. So I didn't trust it. I just took profit very, very fast there. So I made $60 on that one. So that led me gold with $110 for the day. And then there was this beautiful trend reversal breakout, and I did not take it. So you have lower highs and lower lows right here, a lower high, then a higher low or double bottom right there, and then move nicely to the upside. I did not take that one, so there was a very nice profit there. Potential on that one, let's measure it. So let's say that you enter it here. The potential could have been all the way to $1,500 right there. Now, if you would go only to that to, let's say, or either the VWAP or this moving average right here, it's around $500 to $600. But you know, if you went all the way to this top right here, you know, $1,500 that you could have made. I did not take it. So anyways, let's review the next one, which is crude oil. So in crude, I didn't talk about 30 minutes chart. I should have. So you see that there was this move here right on the opening when move down. I'm talking about this area right here in the left. So this is a 30 minutes chart. You have this nice candle, bearish candle moving there, and as you see, I was taking entries right around this area. Already moved, and you don't do that. So anyways, but this trend reversal, this reversal moved all the way to the upside right here. Very nice trade if you had the chance to take it. I had the chance, I did not take it, and it was also early in the morning, so no excuses. I just hesitated. Okay, let's go to crude. Crude had a very nice move to the downside first, and then move to the upside. And so let's see here. Here is the move to the downside right here, right before the open. Then it moved up and then broke out of the 30 minutes there in 30 minutes opening range, and I did take that entry right there. This one cost me because it came back down right away. Typical of crude. Crude likes to tease the break and then come back. It likes to come back. So that one was $210 loss right out of the first entry right there. Then I took this one here, and this one was a $40 profit. I was not patient. Probably if I would take it here and put the stop right below, when it moved right below the opening range, this one could have been a profitable trade. I made only $40 on that one. So in between those two trades, in crude, I am now at $170 loss. And then I took this week out of the 30, out of the 18. This one was also a week out of the 18. But so I took that one, and this one really moved to the upside the way I wanted there. So that one there was $440 target. And so in between the three trades I made in crude, $270 right there. And then it started to behave as a top, and then made that trend reversal, a reversal right here. So a good entry. I mean, this one was kind of choppy in the way down, crown formation anyways, but the really nice entry would have been after the crossing right here, which is this week out of the 34 EMA, this yellow line right here, or gold line right here. Very nice, move to the downside right out of their potential on that one. Let's see, right here. from that break down, let's see, to the other side of the opening range would have been $650, potential $890 right there. Well, I did not take it, and then came back, and still this one is the overnight range. You see there, I normally mark it with this indicator here, which paints equi boxes up here, equidistance boxes right here and right there. So this one is this area here is overbought area. Then this one is the magnet, and this one is oversold area. So went all the way up. This one, with this formation and coming back down, this one would have been a good entry in crude to the reversal, at least to the magnet area right here, and it stayed within the magnet and stayed there. I'm grateful, anyways. $270 in crude, and then 110 accumulated for gold and crude. It was $380. Yes, that's my calculation. $380. Now, the last trade. Well, I did make an attempt in ES. ES was pretty choppy in the morning. You do have here I do have a support and resistance also marked down in this chart. There was a break right there, but then it came back. I didn't move that much, and then came back, and I sold it at break even right there in ES. So 42, 44, 24, 25, and then sold at the same price. So I lost the commissions only. You see, it was it's moving to the upside in ES. But it was fairly choppy. You can see it in the Renko chart right here. So moving up, down, up, and then down, and it was not a easy day to trade for me, at least today. So I did not put that. I just put one trade there, and then finally the NQ. So NQ, I entered this break out of the 30 minutes range, and then I stopped it at the first reversal. This one was a small trade, but gave me another $110 right there. And that's what that's all I took. There were some good entries here out of that VWAP right there. That one would have been a good one. Then you have these are risky trades. They are bouncing off of the VWAP, but you have all the moving average down below. So I mean, it's kind of risky to take them. So I prefer to take the trend trades, which for me are when all the moving averages are aligned in my favor. And it wasn't a day like that today for NQ, and I don't take that many on these indices. And then at the end of the in the morning, then it bounced back up, and then came back down. I mean, it was kind of like messy. So you can see it here in the 30 minutes. Came back down in the morning, and then moved up, or it hit the moving averages and came back down. So all the moving average, if you notice something else here, I'm going to put it in yellow. I like that. So then you have moving average here, all aligned to the downside, aligned to the downside. But then you have the 200 moving average right here, and it's flat. And then you have the 50 moving average moving up and then down. So it was kind of like, moving averages in between these two, call for troubles. So I did not like the action there. So in total today it's $490. Oh, it's okay. Not really, nothing to be amazed of, but profit anyways. So all right, so that's what I had for today. Hope it was clear. So let me see again in NQ, break out of the opening range, and then came back down. It came back down, and then I was stopped out in that first reversal. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.